Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, how many trigonometric ratios are there? Six are there. What are they? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. Right. So here today we are going to know something about sin theta. Actually, the idea of sin theta, it was first used by Aryabhatta. When he was writing a book called Aryabhattiyam. What is the name of the book? Aryabhattiyam. This book was written by Aryabhatta. This book, it was written after Christ, means around in the year AD, year 500. So, when he was writing this book, he used the concept of idea of sin theta. When this book turns into Arabic language, when it is translated into Arabic language, then Aryabhatta used a word, that is what? Ardhajya. That is Ardhajya. This one, the meaning of Ardhajya is half of the cord. Half of a cord. Half of a cord is called Ardhajya. In short, this Ardhajya can be called either Jya or Jiva. Both have the same meaning, either Jya or Jiva. This is the terminology it was used in the book Aryabhattiyam. Later it was translated into Arabic language. Clear? This Aryabhattiyam book, it was in Sanskrit earlier. So these Ardhajya, these words, Ardhajya, Jya or Jiva, these were Sanskrit words. Ardhajya, the meaning of Ardhajya is half of a cord. Jya means cord. Ardha means half of a cord. When this Aryabhattiyam book was translated into Arabic language, then what happens? This word Jiva, it remains the same. It is not translated. The word Jiva, it remains the same. So in Arabic book, the word Jiva, it was there as it is. Later on, this Arabic book, it was translated into Latin. Is it clear? So first Aryabhattiyam, it was translated into Arabic language. Again from Arabic to now it is translated to Latin. While translating Latin, then what happens here? This Jiva, it turns into a word that is called sinus. Sinus. The meaning of the word sinus is curves. So it was introduced in the language of Latin at the time of translating Aryabhattiyam book from Arabic to Latin. Is it clear? What is the meaning of sinus? Curves. Later on, during the course of time, the sinus has become turned into the word sine. Is it clear? This word, actually it was first, its abbreviation, it was first used by an English professor. An English professor of astronomy, whose name was Edmund Gunter. Edmund Gunter. During his age 1581 to 1626. Is it clear? So all the Europe countries, they started using this sign, the concept of sign. In short, we are using this sign as sin theta. See, we have cut the E also. At present we are using the word sin theta. What is the formula of sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. See, this is what at present we are using, and it is the history of sin theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it interesting?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we see example number 4. In triangle ABC, right angle is at B. So let us draw a diagram. There is a triangle ABC in which right angle is at B. Here clearly this is right angle. So here the position B is to be given. Now where to take A and C? Here if you take A, you can take C here. If not, if you take A here, you can take C here. For these two, there is no problem at all. Now AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Here in the question it is given that AB is 5 centimeter and angle ACB, here you observe the angle is at C. So angle ACB, this angle is given as 30 degrees. Now the question is that determine the lengths of the sides BC and AC. Now let us see here, observe carefully. For 30 degrees, which side is BC? Adjacent side. So here let us write adjacent side to 30 degrees. For 30 degrees, what is this AB?
Opposite side.
Opposite side. So this is opposite side. Now can anyone tell me which trigonometric ratio having relation between opposite side and adjacent side? Tan theta. Or another one is also there, that is cot theta. So here let us use tan theta to find BC. So first let us apply tan theta. What is the formula for tan theta?
Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta.
Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Here theta we are taking as 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is equal to, just imagine that you are standing at 30 degrees. For you opposite side is AB. By adjacent side is BC. What is the value of tan 30 degrees? 1 by root 3. So here 1 by root 3 is equal to AB. AB is given as 5. So let us substitute in place of AB, let us write 5 by BC. Now let us do cross multiplication. BC 1 jar BC is equal to 5 into root 3. 5 root 3 as it is in centimeter. So BC also will be there in centimeter. Now we found BC. Now what else to find? Now still AC. Here from the figure you observe from the triangle, what is the name of AC?
Hypotenuse.
It is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Let us note down the value of adjacent side, that is BC, as 5 root 3. That means here opposite side is known and adjacent side is also known. Here let us see how many ways are there to find AC. First one is, if you use opposite and hypotenuse, which theta is applicable? Sin theta or cosecant theta. So here using which we can find the hypotenuse. Those are two ways. If not, what is the here which trigonometric ratio having relation between adjacent side to hypotenuse? Cos theta or secant theta. So there are two more chances. Other than that, since it is a right angle triangle, which theorem can be applicable? So total 5 chances are there. First one, we can apply either sin theta or cosecant theta, cos theta or secant theta, or which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. So here let us apply Pythagoras theorem. So from triangle ABC, where angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So let us write, by Pythagoras theorem, let us apply Pythagoras theorem. It says that square of the hypotenuse means AC square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, means AB plus BC. So it will become AB square plus BC square. Now let us substitute the values. Here AC, is it known?
No, sir.
No, that is only we need to find. So let us write AC square as it is. And here what is AB?
5 centimeters.
So AB square will be
10.
5 square. 5 square. Same way BC, what is the value of BC? 5 root 3. So BC square 5 root 3 whole square. Can anyone tell me what is 5 square?
25.
25. 5 into 5, so 25. Here you see, we need to do 5 square into root 3 square. What is 5 square? 25 into root 3 square.
3.
3. Square and root get cancelled, so here 3 will come. Now here 25 plus 25 3s are 75. What is 25 plus 75? Is 100. AC square is equal to 100. But what is the question? What do we need to find? AC. So AC square is equal to which number square is 100? 10 square. Now here let us take square roots both the sides. So here AC will be 10. Here you see it is in centimeter. Here 5 root 3 is in centimeter. This is also in centimeter. So AC also 10 centimeter. Now here let us conclude the problem. Determine the lengths of the sides of BC and AC. So let us write clearly. Therefore BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter and AC is equal to 10 centimeter. With this example 4 gets completed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.